The next divine name is Khafid Rafee. Allah, the Exalted, is the abaser and the exalter. Allah, the Exalted, is the one who abases those who disobey Him. Even if a disobedient person gains some worldly success, it will ultimately become a curse for them. Allah, the Exalted, is the one who exalts those who obey Him by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. Even if an obedient Muslim faces trials and difficulties in the world, they will ultimately be exalted by Allah, the Exalted, in both worlds. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 26.
Say, O Allah, owner of sovereignty, you give sovereignty to whom you will and you take sovereignty away from whom you will. You honor whom you will, and you humble whom you will. In your hand is all good. Indeed, you are over all things competent.
A Muslim who understands this divine name will therefore not seek worldly success by pleasing the creation or through worldly things if it leads to the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted, as they know this path only leads to ultimate abasement and disgrace in both worlds. A Muslim must act on this divine name by praising the things which Allah, the Exalted, has raised, and disliking the things which Allah, the Exalted, has abased. This must be shown through actions, not just words. For example, they must praise the hereafter by actively striving to prepare for it. And they must dislike the excess of this material world, knowing Allah, the Exalted, has dispraised it, as it prevents a Muslim from adequately preparing for the hereafter. One should aim high in all their endeavors by aiming to please Allah, the Exalted, and avoid adopting lowly aims and end goals, such as acquiring and enjoying worldly pleasures. A person's worth is equal to their aim. If their aim is high, they will be exalted, but if their aim is low, they will live an abased and meaningless existence. Chapter 95 at 10, verses 4 to 6.
We have certainly created man in the best of stature. Then we return him to the lowest of the low. Except for those who believe and do righteous deeds, for they will have a reward uninterrupted.
Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.